He's got no face to hold him in. He fills his days as dark as night. He's been waiting with the blind just to find a place to hide his ghost. Unopened eyes, no consequence. The door's been closed since he's walked in. The fight's been raging so many days. He'll greet you with a cross and a sickle as he helps you in. You fall in waste and open fire. You've got no taste for his desire. It brings you in to warm your bones. He's the reason why you came and the reason why you ought to go. Fool's gonna fall and raise another fallen child. Fool's gonna fall and raise another fallen child. Fool's gonna fall and raise another fallen child. Can't be known what lies in wait for those of us in crippled states. A broken mind is no escape when there's no one left to reason with. There's no one left to call your name. Fool's gonna fall and raise another fallen child. Fool's gonna fall and raise another fallen child. Fool's gonna fall and raise another fallen child.
Yesterday, any way you made it was just fine. So you turn your days into nighttime. Didn't you know you can't make it without ever even trying? And something's on your mind. Let these times show you that you're breaking up your mind, leaving all your dreams too far behind. Didn't you